This is Face the Nation, broadcasting live from the CNN IBN headquarters in New Delhi with Sagarika Ghosh.
A very warm welcome to you at the start of a brand new week. Are Kashmiri Muslims routinely persecuted all over India?
Time and again we've taken this issue up with successive state governments that they need to be careful not to pigeonhole young Kashmiris and see them all as potential militants. They're not.
Not all young Kashmiris are militants, says the J&K Chief Minister Omar Abdullah. The Jammu and Kashmir Cricket Association is demanding an apology from the Bangalore police for detaining Kashmiri cricketers Parvez Rasool and Mirajuddin, who were in Bangalore to play the CK Naidu tournament. Brings us to our question of the day tonight. Does simply being a Kashmiri Muslim invite suspicion all over India? Type QTD space Y for yes, QTD space N for no, SMS to 51818. You can also vote online on IBNlive.com. You can also join us on Twitter.com and send us your tweets, so why not do that? Joining us tonight, MM Khajuria, former DGP of Jammu and Kashmir, is joining us. We have Mehboob Beg, MP and senior leader of the National Conference, joining us. Tariq Dar, actor and model, joining us. He was someone, in fact, who was mistakenly imprisoned and then let off because of lack of evidence, a complete case of mistaken identity. And Ashok Pandit, filmmaker, joining us. First, the top story on Face the Nation. The arrest of two cricketers has touched a raw nerve 1,000 miles away in Kashmir. Today, the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, batted for cricketer Parvez Rasool and called it racial profiling. The forensic report from Rasool's bag is likely to come out tomorrow. Until then, there are several unanswered questions. Mufti Islah and Abir VP have the story.
Parvez Rasool finally getting some match practice at the Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bangalore. He was in the middle of a case of religious and regional profiling, arrested by Bangalore police on suspicion of carrying explosives. It took an angry J&K Chief Minister to bat for Rasool.
I wonder if the response would have been different of the police if these youngsters had not been from Kashmir, if they'd been from some other part of the country. But it's so easy to see every young Kashmiri as a terrorist.
Young Kashmiri cricketers are aghast over the Parvez Rasool incident. And in fact, they're saying that cricket should be spared from politics and controversies.
Cricketers should be just kept away from these things. It's a demoralizing thing for cricketers here.
But there is more to the controversy than a Kashmiri Muslim's victimization. The bomb detecting machine that set off the alarm is privately installed by the Karnataka State Cricket Association and could have been faulty, though the Bangalore Commissioner denies this.
Karnataka State Cricket Association is a responsible association. They have done in a bona fide faith, they have engaged some agency. They have brought some machine. Unless we get something contrary from an expert, we should not speak like that.
But that still doesn't explain how the bag that went through 4 airport checks before reaching Bangalore didn't set off any alarms, and leaves many questions unanswered. Was Rasool a victim of a long-standing tension between KSCA and Bangalore police? Did the police act in haste by arresting Rasool and talking to the media? Or was Bangalore police trying to assert its authority by forcing KSCA to delay the game?
Despite all the controversies, the J&K team is trying to focus on some valuable match practice before the CK Naidu tournament begins. But the real focus now will be on the forensic report on Parvez's bag, which is expected to come in the next 2 days. In Bangalore, Abir VP.
So initial results now of our SMS poll. Kashmiri cricketers held. Does simply being a Kashmiri Muslim invite suspicion in many parts of India, all across India? Let's get what are you telling us, in fact, at the start of the show. 48% yes, 52% no. A narrow majority there is saying no. Let's get straight into Crossfire. Mr. Mehboob Beg, MP and senior leader of the National Conference, your party president and chief minister has said this is a case of racial profiling. It's a case of prejudice against young Kashmiri youth. But wasn't the Bangalore police simply trying to do its job? After all, their job is security. We know that Parvez Rasool was not letting the sniffer dog near his bag. So why should the police not be free to take any kind of security procedures that they deem fit?